Kailangan ng skin barrier? Ito ba yun? I'm Chat De Los Santos. I'm a cosmetic chemist and founder of Green Nature Cosmetics. I help entrepreneurs bring their beauty vision to life. Your skin barrier is real, an invisible shield that keeps the good in and the bad out. It locks in hydration like a vault, protects like armor against pollution, bacteria, and even UV stress, and keeps your skin calm instead of reactive. Pero kung lagi kang nagpiling, scrub, AHA or BHA, sipin mo na lang parang shield na ginagasgas ng paulit-ulit. Kahit matibay, eventually, mababasag din. And when that happens, dryness, flakes, redness, sting, extra sun sensitivity, at yung pinaka-frustrating, parang hindi na nag-absorb ng products ang skin mo. The good news, kayang ma-repair ang shield. Stop over-exfoliating. Switch to gentle cleansers and rebuild with hydration and barrier repair moisturizers. Para crack sa wall, dapat tinatapalan ng cement, hindi binabasag ng martilyo. Protect your invisible shield because true healthy skin doesn't just shine, it endures. For more smart skincare tips, follow me and let's keep your skin barrier strong. Again, I'm Chat De Los Santos, your cosmetic chemist, helping you glow with our products and grow with our trainings.